So here's how to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening, stuck, or won't launch. So first what you're gonna do is right click Windows logo, then click on Run, and in here you want to type %sign local updata and then %sign again. Now press OK, and this folder should show up. Now in here you want to look for Epic Games folder, so you can press E to go to the folders named with E, or starting their name with E, and then double click on Epic Games. Now if you don't see a saved folder in here, you want to go back and search for Epic Games Launcher. And in here, if you see a saved folder, you want to double click on it, and then and if you see a web cache folder _4430, now you'll simply need to remove this folder by right clicking on it and then click delete, and then wait for it to delete. Now if it can't delete because the folder is in use, what you want to do is open the task manager and then search for Epic Games, then right click on it and end task. Now you can go back to the message again and press try again, and it should start removing the folder. Now once it's removed, next what you want to do is go to desktop, and then right click on your Epic Games Launcher icon, show more options, properties, go to compatibility tab and make sure run this program as admin is checked, and disable full screen optimization is also checked. Now you can press apply OK. Now if you can try to run Windows or run Epic Games Launcher and see if it works. Otherwise, what you can do if it still does not work for you is to try to make sure that your Windows updates are installed, or you have the latest updates, by going to settings and then searching for Windows Update. Click on Windows Update, and in here, if you have any updates pending install, you should try to install them, and check and download any updates available. Now you can try to reboot your PC and try to launch Epic Games Launcher again and see if it works. Now if it still does not work, what you can do is right click on Windows logo, go to installed apps, and then remove Epic Games Launcher, search for it and double click or click on the three dots in here and click uninstall, and then click on uninstall to proceed to remove Epic Games Launcher. Then you want to perform a clean install again by opening the browser, and then in here search for Epic Launcher download, and then click on download Epic Games Launcher. Now click on download again and click on install on Windows, and it should start downloading the Epic installer. Now you will simply need to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher, and that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.